Hello everyone. I hope you're all having a wonderful day today. Look at what that is. For starters, it looks good, but it's not very big. But what it is something I haven't had before, or at least a version of something I haven't had before. This is a fried chicken cheesesteak made by Zaxby's. Zaxby's is a Chick-fil-A type fast food, and they put out pretty good chicken sandwiches. So I'm excited to see what a fried chicken cheesesteak is all about. Let's just get right into it. Okay. So size-wise, they really packed it in there. It may not be a big bun, but they've got a lot of chicken in there. Cheese and peppers. The chicken is good. That's good fried chicken. The cheese is good. And there's definite garlic presence that I like. The bun's kind of buttery. You've got a nice garlic flavor there with the cheese. The chicken is really, really good. I am really impressed with this. 7 out of 10 flushes. You saw it right. You heard it right. Now tell me how wrong it is. P.S. Tell somebody you love them.